Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza at home without cheese. First, let's start with the foundation, your pizza dough. Begin by combining 3/4 cup of warm water with 1½ teaspoons of active dry yeast and a pinch of sugar. Let this mixture sit for about 5 minutes until it becomes frothy. Then, stir in 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Knead the dough for 5 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Place it in an oiled bowl, cover, and let it rise for at least 1 hour in a warm spot until it doubles in size. Now, let's talk about building incredible flavor without cheese. For your sauce, combine 1 15-ounce can of crushed tomatoes with 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and a blend of Italian herbs like oregano and basil. Spread this rich sauce generously over your stretched dough. For toppings, think fresh and colorful. Sliced bell peppers, red onions, mushrooms, and fresh spinach are fantastic choices. You can also add sun-dried tomatoes, pitted black olives, or even some artichoke hearts for a gourmet touch. Don't be shy with your vegetable combinations. Baking your cheese-free pizza to perfection is key for a crispy crust. Preheat your oven to a scorching 475 degrees Fahrenheit, placing a pizza stone or baking steel inside to heat up for at least 30 minutes. Once your dough is stretched to about a 12-inch circle and topped, carefully transfer it to the hot stone. Bake for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on it. You want the crust to be beautifully golden brown and crisp, and the vegetables tender with a slight char. This high heat mimics a professional pizza oven, ensuring a delicious result. Finally, let's explore some creative ways to elevate your cheese-free pizza experience. Instead of tomato sauce, try a homemade basil pesto for a bright, herbaceous base. After baking, a drizzle of balsamic glaze adds a wonderful sweet and tangy finish. For a savory, umami boost, sprinkle a tablespoon or 2 of nutritional yeast over your pizza. It offers a cheesy flavor without dairy. You can also experiment with store-bought plant-based cheese alternatives or whip up a simple cashew cream sauce for a rich, creamy texture. The possibilities are endless for delicious, dairy-free pizza.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.